Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
For now, I'm just only giving you at a very, very high level, because we'll leave all this a little later. But if the configuration is available, I can do it. I can have multiple people assigned as well, because I could have an organization where I can have 20, 30 people. And practically, it is not possible to have just one person assigned as an absence partner or any other role for that matter. So I mean multiple people to manage things purely based on business requirements. The next thing. So we've already seen all of this organization roles in each organization assigned, and you're going to have an organization owner. And each supervisory organization is going to have members, but the organization may also have members who support it, but may not remember, like what we saw right now. I could have somebody like an absence partner who is not from this particular organization. They could be from another supervisory organization. It could be something like absence support a supervisory organization. And we saw Logan McNeil assigned as the absence partner. She's not from this particular organization. That's what I'm saying. It need not necessarily be. That's it. Alright, and where this comes in is when I have business process routings or delegations. All of this is going to be coming in over there. And we also saw about how assignments and also inheritance comes in over here. Alright. The next thing that we are going to be seeing is called as reorganization. Alright. So just a question to all of you. What exactly do you mean by reorganization in a normal HR terminology? When you hear the word reorganization in any HCM or in the news, they could say that in your organization or your company news they should say, "We are going to go for a reorg." What exactly do you mean by reorg? Reorg could be like I'm going to change. Say, this technology consulting is going to be currently reporting to a technology head of somebody. Now I'm going to change it to somebody like a CEO or a Chief Information Officer or somebody. I'm going to move this organization hierarchy. And I'm going to have somebody else. Assignment of a supervisor or superior, or even a reporting, or what we call in work a terminologist supporting it, supervisory organization. And I could even make this as redundant. So, which means I'm going to say that one particular, for example, which you might have seen in news as well, I'm going to become redundant. So what do they mean by that? It no longer exists, and all those employees are possibly laid off. This is another news where you would have seen, very recently as well. So, and next thing, all those people who are there in that particular organization, I'm going to be moving them to another place. All of this is possible right now. So let's see one by one. So, first up, if I'm going to say I'm taking this particular example right now, technology consulting for this particular supervisory organization that I have over here. My current superior organization is Consulting Services North America Updated Group. Now I'm just going to make a small change over here, and I'm going to say I'm going to go to the organization's related actions. I scroll down all the way to the bottom, come to New York. And I say assign superior, which means I currently have a superior, but I'm going to make a change. And I'm going to say that it reports to some other superior supervisory organization. And what exactly effective date means, the date from when this is going to be effective. I would ideally have it only as my current date, or something in the future which could be like start of the month, which could be like the 1st of October, or based on how my organization is going to be looking like. And I'm going to I'm just choosing the current date right now. And I'm just going to give some test comments why I'm making some change on beauty or whatever I want to give in over here. I'm going to say submit. I've already chosen. It's okay. Oh my God, I missed it. Just a minute. I missed one thing over there. This is something that I'm going to do. I missed choosing another supervisory organization, which means it is not any change that I made. Go back again to assign superior organization. I say okay, it's just considering on something else. Instead of Consulting Services North America, let us choose something else over. Let's go to an organization which is like one level above. Now I have this particular organization, Technology Consulting NA, which reports to Consulting Services North America Group. Instead of this, let us say that this is going to be reporting to Consulting Services. So I'm just saying, assign superior, and I'm going to pick this as Consulting Services. I say Consulting Services. And this is the good thing about Workdays for everything that I want to choose. There is something called as related actions over here. And in related actions, I can just view a small snippet of what it is, just to be sure that I'm going to be choosing the right one. So if you see here it's Supervisory Organization, Consulting Services. Who's the manager? Daryl Parker, and estimated current head count is going to be 4. And what are the different subordinate, and superior organizations? This is just to ensure that I'm picking the right one. Daryl Parker is the manager. So it is correct. So I'm choosing this particular organization right now, and I'm hitting subbed. Alright. That's it. This is done. So if you see here, earlier it was something different. If I go to this chart itself, it was reporting to Technology Consulting North America. But now my organization is Consulting Services. Let's go to the org chart as well and see if this is. If you see, Technology Consulting NA. Now this reports to Consulting Services. And if I come to the bottom over here, I see Carol and everybody reporting directly to this organization. This is first one that we wanted to discuss today. Now I'm just going back to Technology Consulting North America, or NA. Alright. So we saw about. First thing we saw about in the reorganization. We saw assigning a superior supervisory organization. Next, I can even create one subordinate supervisory organization for technology consulting. And if I click on that, it is going to take me to creating a supervisory organization. But it will be creating it with Technology Consulting, NA, as the supervisory organization. So probably, whatever it is, you can explore this particular option over here. So you can create the superior supervisory organization first and then come in a real world. If you're asked to implement any kind of a supervisory hierarchy, we would usually start from the CEO level. So we create the CEO level supervisory organization first. So it's always a top-to-bottom approach, so that we're not going to miss anything over there. Alright. That is number 1. Next, what I told you was about inactivating a supervisory organization. If I want to activate an organization, I can go for this particular approach. And I can say that I can inactivate him. But before I inactivate, what are the certain things that I need to clearly have in mind? Number 1, all the position. Since this is a position-based supervisory organization, I need to ensure that all my positions are going to be closed. That's number 1. And if, for this particular supervisory organization, there are certain in-progress events, which are currently happening, I need to ensure that there are no in-progress events, because a position could be in the pipeline of being created. And it is in the various levels of approvals. So I need to take some action towards that. That is why it is just actually showing right now. That is number 1. Number 2, I need to take some action on all my current workers.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.